Yeah, YouTube. Just got a couple of markups. That's about it. Got it halfway in there. I was just trimming some pieces, see what I need to do. Before I start cutting shit, see what I got to do. Yeah, basically EQ the cup holders. I'm actually just doing this right off the top of the head as I go along. Yeah, that's it. Gotta cut the piece for this, cut the piece for that, cut the piece for the front panel, and cut the two sides, cause the other side gonna pop off, pop back on. I got these screws up in there just see what I'm working with. Still gotta trim a little bit. Just a little bit, y'all. I'm bringing the ghetto coming up